If you are a batch who has passed with a degree and you are a batch who is studying in this year 2020 during pandemic, and you are the one who is being questioned and there are people talking about you across world, then tell them. Hello students, we are meeting after a long time and hope you are doing well during this pandemic. It's September 2020 and are you still feeling that your life is not going the way you had planned? If this is a question that is pounding your mind throughout the day, then this is the video which you need to watch till the end. The informations that I'm going to give you in this video is going to actually make you understand what are the things that you're missing out and why your desires and your plans are not working the way you had planned. Students, so let's just think about one thing, that what is the thing that is actually missing in us that we are not being able to execute or make our life the way we wanted it to be, or what is the thing that is stopping us from doing things which we wanted to. Like, I was just going through an article and I acknowledged that gravity was discovered by Isaac Newton during plague epidemic, while even he was quarantining or maintaining social distancing. So I got this thought in my mind that if Isaac Newton could discover gravity during epidemic, then why can't you, me, everybody discover the undiscovereds? And what is stopping us from discovering what is required and what is not there around us during this pandemic? Then I figured out what is stopping us is nothing but our attitude and approach. What we are doing is we are taking this pandemic for granted. Why are we taking this pandemic for granted? Is because we are thinking that this is going to be a phase that is going to pass and then we're going to start our life again. Now, then I realized that this is one major mistake that most of us are making. You are making, I am making, people around the world are making. This is a phase, it will pass, and we'll be left in a phase where the phase is going to be completely new and fresh to tackle. Then how are we going to tackle that situation that is going to be more challenging than the situation that we are in right now? Let me tell you something here again. Students, passing in this batch or in this year 2020, or the students who are studying in this year 2020 are being tagged or labeled where they're just graduating and not much of a skill enhancement is happening or has happened, or they have missed a lot of education during this months of pandemic. I agree and completely disagree. If there has been a certain lacking, then there has been a certain growth. So any lacking does not happen because there is nothing happening. If there is some sort of lacking happening, then definitely there is some sort of a growth happening on the other hand. Now, if you are a batch who has passed with a degree and you are a batch who is studying in this year 2020 during pandemic, and you are the one who is being questioned and there are people talking about you across world, then tell them that you are the ones who are the most self-controlled batch. You are the one who has the ability to adapt instantly. You are the one who has a storehouse of positivity and optimism in you. You are the one who is the most keen observer and can observe things just by sitting, because observational skill is something that has been lacking in all the batches that has passed out. Analytical, you are the most analytical because there has been lot of analysis done, and there's a lot of record literature present in record which will prove that analytical skills of students had literally declined and crashed over the years. This batch is the most analytical batch because they have been observing, reading, analyzing, and this is the most unsatisfied, disappointed batch because they have passed out without farewell, without the normal procedures. They are the most disappointed ones because they have not gone through the normal phase which others have gone through. So this simply does not mean just because you have been deprived of a particular situation, you have not gone to the normal classrooms in your last semester, or if you're not being able to go to your normal classroom, or you're having online classes during your this few months of time, and this does not simply mean that you are not competent enough. This simply does not mean that you do not have adequate knowledge or you do not have the equal knowledge in comparison to the others. This is a myth. And this myth actually needs to be broken. Why this myth needs to be broken is because if you have read it by yourself, and if you have gone through it online, and if you have applied it in your practical by yourself, does not mean that you have less of skill. Yes, it can be questioned. It's being questioned. Many are questioning, but it simply does not mean that it is not adequate. Why I can challenge it? Because you are the one who have been observing, analyzing, patiently finding solutions, overcoming things which people had not even thought of. You are locked on in one room and you are studying where others had the opportunity of going to the playgrounds and play after the classroom lectures. You had not even an opportunity to stretch yourself beyond your bedroom or living room. So you are the one who have been chosen. You are the one who have been chosen to discover the undiscovered, innovate means during this chaos, ongoing chaos. You are the chosen one to do things out of the box, and you are the one who is doubly creative. So if you are the one who has been chosen to do so many spectacular things, then who says that you are less competent or you are less normal? No. It's just a year that has got this pandemic, and that cannot stop the students of this era. You people have more than what other students had during the passing years. Now, coming to the point which we began with, the motive of this session. Why? Why is it you still feel your plans are not working out? Because you're still trying the normal means. Okay? Your plans are not working out because in this 2020 pandemic, where you're in a lockdown situation, where things are not dealing with people, it's dealing with social distancing, it's dealing with technology, it's dealing with online setups, you are still following the same old traditional and conventional method in which you were sending out CVs, you were sending in proposals of your business plan, right? So be it a student who wants to get into a job, or be it a student who wants to get into internship, or be it a student who wants to start his own startup as an entrepreneur, this is a session dedicated to you. In this session, try to understand you people are failing, or you are not being able to see the future or see the result as you desired because you have not been working as per the need of the hour, but you have been working the way you had been taught in the conventional way, the normal way. Like I said, the normal students who had passed out, and you are the students who are not just students like other normal students, but you are the chosen one. And I like to quote here, you're the chosen one because you all are millennials of the millennium. Batch 2020. You all are the millennials of the millennium of the batch 2020, because you people are doing things which we could not think of. You have been working the way things we could never even imagine. So you people are just special. You people are just out of the box. Okay, now just to get back to our topic, know that why the plans are not working accordingly, because I just said is going to the normal traditional way. So what is the new technology, or what is the new method? Not technology, but what is a new method? Okay, you just need to do 4 things. You need to have if you're looking out for a job during this job cutoffs, you need to have a digital resume, or you need to have a resume which is supported by the algorithm. Okay, now please go and read how does algorithm work in your resume. Number 2 is you need to have a video resume, because you are not going to be meeting somebody face to face. So what was happening, you could go to the office of the recruiter, sit face to face and give interview, but now it's not possible. So video resume is a must. Number 3, what you require is you must have a work profile to show. Yes, you need to have a work profile which is going to support you and back you. Number 4, and the last and the most important one, which is going to incorporate all 3 of it in one, is a website of your own with a domain name of your name. For example, if I have to make a website, I will make a website named steffiprasad.com. Why? You can take any website, maybe .com, .in, .co, but .com and .in for students who are in India. .in would be preferred, but .com is a universally accepted and is easy for, you can convert it into a professional site later on. Why I'm telling you this is because after a few years you will find that you will find your website being sold, your domain names being sold for thousands and lakhs of rupees. So it's the time when you can store it at a minimum hundreds. Okay, it's not going to be very much expensive. You can build your website also without knowing how to code. Okay, you do not need to learn coding languages. So let me brief you the first thing. Digital resume should have active links, okay, so that if the recruiter clicks on the link, will be redirected to that particular section which you want to show him. So your resume should speak for you. So it has to be a very active resume. Coming to the next is you need to have you need to have a video resume. Now many of you will say that I am not comfortable speaking on camera. Now if you're not comfortable speaking on camera, you don't have to always be on camera. You can have a presentation shared on your screen while you are recording a session on Google Meet or Zoom. Okay, and you can present it as if you're presenting it to the interviewer or the recruiter or the person who you're presenting it to, and that video resume should speak for you, speak for your skills which are really enhanced, which have become your strength during your COVID, which you can do, which others cannot. Like I told you, few of them, you have learned the art of self-control, you have learned the art of observation, you have become more analytical, you have become more patient, you have become more optimistic. So these are skills which others used to just put in, but you actually have. That can be spoken and that can be told during your video resume. Okay, so speak your heart out, express your individuality, talk to the interviewer through video resume. Coming to the third, make work profiles strong enough and make your work so good that it has double level of creativity. Coming to the fourth, your website should have all 3 of it, and these things should be in one particular link of your website. In your domain name, it should be well configured. It should have good SEO done so that you are listed in 69% of the population which is there on Google, which access Google. So you have a more bigger range to cover, and there are more people who can see you, and your visibility increases, and you have more of self branding done. So self branding is going to play a very, very vital role during this pandemic to get jobs, during job cutoffs. Okay, so there are many students who also want to do their own startups. They also want to come up with their own entrepreneurship ideas and explore and implement. So this is a time when you can also come up with a lot of ideas and execute them. Now there are a lot of challenges, but there are a lot of opportunities as well. Like for students who are passing out as mass communication students, or who have passed out media science, or who are exploring these fields or areas, for them, let me tell you, education and media is combining very soon. Class 1 to 12, there has been new channels introduced. If there are new channels introduced, means the channels are there, but there are no contents there. You can be the content creator for them. You can design the modules for them. You can design the module as per the syllabus for the classes and encash them throughout your life. So there are opportunities exploring. Education startups are literally booming. Entertainment startups are booming. Coming to tech startups, they are booming. So find those areas in which you can invest. Environmental startups are booming. So find those areas which you can literally invest in and make your career in. Okay, find those sectors, invest time there, research about it, figure out and work it out. Coming to the next thing is, and the last thing, when you are eager to do something, and when you really want to achieve something in your life, there is nothing that can stop. Not even this pandemic. This pandemic is a phase, it'll pass. But as I said, it'll leave us to a more challenging phase after it gets over. So we have to be prepared for that phase. And to be prepared for that phase, you cannot let this phase empty and blank. You need to utilize this time to do things, or at least take the first step. At least take the first step and make sure you are using this time to build your career, build your life, build your dreams, fulfill your things. So do not back off thinking that people are saying there is job cutoffs. If there are job cutoffs, there are job cutoffs for people, those who do not have that level of performance. Okay, so most of the performers will always be there because they are always finding means to solve problems. They are always finding ways to support the company and be there. So you have to be an entrepreneur if you are looking for a job, not just an employee. Okay, so this is something that you need to understand, and you need to be someone who is ready to grow with others. This is the time which has taught us, this pandemic is teaching us, new business strategies, new business ways, new way of finding jobs is by helping each other. You help somebody helps you. So this is how you have to help each other. So you have to grow together. This era and this year is teaching us that. So please implement, apply, and I'm sure it is going to work out, because this is how you can reach not just across the country or nations, but you can reach across world. You have opportunity to sit in front of a screen and give your interview in a foreign country without spending much of time and money. You can sit in Siliguri, or you can sit in Darjeeling, and you can sit in Mirik, and you can sit in any small town and give an interview in Mumbai, Delhi, Chennai, and work from home. Okay, so you don't have to spend thousands of rupees buying tickets to travel there to give face-to-face interview, which used to happen in normal times. I had students who had to go from one place to another just to give their interview, and there was no surety that the person is going to be selected or not selected. So this is an opportunity. Okay, so take it as an opportunity and grab it, and make sure you crack all your opportunities. So this is something which I want to tell you. I hope you apply the 4 techniques which I have spoken. If you can implement and apply, it is definitely going to help you. And the students who are still studying in this year of pandemic, okay, who have not graduated but still studying in this year of pandemic 2020, you are going to be passing out maybe next year or next to next year, okay, whichever is it, okay. So it's in case of graduation or post graduation, it will be next year or next to next year. You all should start indulging yourself in internships. Internship is going to make your way through. The reason behind this is relationship takes time to build. Online relationships take more time to build, okay. So where in 2 months of performance in the industry with human interaction, it took people to build trust in 2 months. It'll take you around 6 months. So it's high time that you start enrolling in internships, get yourself relevant experience in industry, learning skills, and make sure that you have sufficient practical knowledge and application, ways of application when you go in. So internship is going to play a very important and vital role during this time. So my final words of advice to both the students who are studying during this 2020 year and the ones who have graduated in 2020 year: you people are special, chosen. You are the millennials of the millennium, okay. You are you're that Generation Z who is going to make a difference. You're the chosen one. Just do not follow the conventional way, but follow the new technological way, which is going to make you visible. Self-branding, practical experience, internships makes a huge impact. Take care. Hope you implement them and it helps you. Thank you so much. God bless you.